Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our YouTube channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to review a digital product called POD. I think let me find the name actually for you, so it's quite complicated. The name of the product here is Easy Personalized Print on Demand. That's POD. So Easy Personalized POD, that's the name of the product. And let's go back to the sales page here. So it says, discover my strategies for creating and selling highly in demand print on demand products fast. So let's focus on POD so that you know what it is. It's print on demand products, and it's related to your e-commerce store and everything. Now it says, tap into the secret that turns simple print on demand products into high demand gold mines with millions of repeated buyers. No design, no experience needed. So this is an intro video of Amy Harrop, and she has been doing this e-commerce business for some time now, and she's going to give you a digital product, or it's like a tutorial. It's a PDF, and it's like 90-page long step-by-step PDF how to start your own print on demand business from home or from the shop. So it's like, make no mistake about it, this is a booming market, and I totally agree that yes, print on demand is something unique. People like their own personalized custom designs rather than just choose, if you have a choice that you want something printed on a t-shirt rather than choosing something which is there by default, so surely you will go ahead with your customized design because that's what you would like to see in your t-shirt, right? So this is what this industry is all about. So it says no website needed, low upfront investment. The beauty of print on demand is that you don't have to buy inventory. Each item is created only after customer has already purchased it. That's very true, because you fill in your design, you upload your pictures, and then only that t-shirt will be printed. So you already have paid for that, or you have opted for cash on delivery, and that is how you make an order first, and then only the inventory is created. So it's not very, there's no huge investment required. First you start getting the customers, and then you start delivering them the orders. And then where to sell these? So you must have heard about Etsy or Redbubble or Teespring. So this is where you can sell your designs or your clothes, and that's how you can make some extra money. And if you go into our channel, we have a video about how to sell on Redbubble and Etsy. You can look into that video too. Now it says that Etsy, there are a number of other platforms like Merch by Amazon, Threadless. So once you get into this industry, e-commerce industry, you will find a lot of platforms where you can sell your designs, your clothes, your pod, print on design. You need to display your custom designs there, and then people will contact you. So this is a course, actually it's a digital course, you can say. It's not make money online thing, and that's the only reason I'm reviewing this product, because if it was make money online, I would have kept it short. I would have told you it's a scam and everything is done. But here, this is not a get to rich scheme. This is not about making money online. This is about giving you knowledge. She is going to teach you or tell you the notes that how you can step by step start a business online or offline, which is from the industry print on demand. So if you're a woman, if you are housewife, or you're working with kids at home, and you want to do something of your own while staying at home, so you want to start something from your house, then it is a good option for you to get into this industry. Get an idea, first of all, what is going on, how do you need to start, whom do you need to contact, who is your mentor, so you can actually grab the copy of this tutorial. And once you have gone through all the basics and how you need to start your business, how you need to get customers, how you need to sell, how you need to do shipping and everything, so you'll go through all these things inside the tutorial. And once you are able to gain the experience, all the theoretical knowledge, then you can start applying them practically, and you can start selling your print on demand clothes or accessories. And then here you have everything on the website. You can take a look. So your website is quite simple. It's not much fancy information here, not many lucrative pictures, because this is an informational product. So you will get information from her. And if you take a look at her profile here, so if you see, this is Emmy Harrop, and she has launched many products on Warrior Plus before, like Tip Up Creator, Easy Learning Printables. So she has been making some money, which means that she has been launching some decent products. That's the reason people are buying it. So you can go ahead and take a look to her profile if you want to. Otherwise, there might be a link in the description below. And this product is getting launched, I think, on 21st or 22nd, not sure, but somewhere after 20th. And yes, so if you're watching this video, you can grab this copy as soon the product is launched on Warrior Plus. And this is again not a make money online software. This is only going to help you to learn how to start a print on demand business. Okay, so this will be it for this review. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, do subscribe to our email list. The link is in the description below, and thank you so much for watching.